Hey guys, welcome to week 1 of your spring 2021 semester. Once again, I am really glad to have you guys in class and let's get this semester started. So for your week 1, your assignment is to do introduction, your own introduction, and actually also getting to know your peers in this class. So you're going to be doing video instructions and your replies are going to be video also. To access the introduction discussion board, here are the instructions and here is the direct link for the introduction. I'm going to change the name of this and actually edit the link and make it introduction. How about that? So that ways you guys know the difference. These are the instructions and this is the discussion board. Your discussion board is for 10 points. 5 points is for your own introduction, and then 2.5 and 2.5 points are for you applying to at least 2 peers. You definitely can reply to more than 2 peers, but at least 2 peers is necessary to get a full score on this. The second thing, what are you going to be doing in your discussion board? In your discussion board, you're going to be talking about your name, your degree plan. You're going to be talking about if you work anywhere, where do you work, what are your research interests, what do you hope to accomplish, and then most importantly, one thing that is unique about you. So when you click on the discussion board, it will actually give you the prompt right over here. So you do not have to keep repeating this video. Also, your discussion board is due by January 17th, Sunday, 11:30 p.m. Your introduction and the reply. So whatever is the time that is reflected on the flip grid, I'm going to go by that time. So January 17th, 11:30 p.m. is the due date for this assignment. If you have any questions, let me know. This is your Watch Me First for week 1 and it would be posted right over here.